Welcome to Sports Communications Topic 3. This is 3D Promotions Part 1, where we define what promotions are and look at terms. Promotions are where you communicate with your customer. It involves using channels where you convey your message about your product, your place and your price, and it concentrates on selling the product. Some definitions and terms that we're going to look at. For marketing, we're going to take a look at a few glossaries and definitions of terms. This is the IFLA glossary. If we scroll down the page a little, you'll see it starts with A, and you can click on any letter you like to actually get what something means. Quite useful. The next one we're going to look at is marketing terms. They tend to have internet. It's an internet focused company, so you'll get articles, posts, information about the site, and you can search the site using the search function, which is quite handy. Next, we've got an Australian glossary of marketing terms, which is also quite useful. Quite a lot of different items, and also quite an internet focus. So you'll see there's quite a lot of numbered items at the beginning of this sheet, and also you can select any item from the alphabetical list or pop a search function in, and this is a really handy site because it's actually for the South Pacific. Next, we'll have a look at some ad lists. Hawthorn Direct is quite handy. Again, this is a glossary. Start straight away at the A's, so you'll see quite a few different terms here, and again you can just click on any letter that you want, or you can have a list of the whole lot that you can then do a search on the page. Over to you how you do that. And lastly, the ad glossary. Again, this is another one where the list is on the page, you just find your item. This is a little bit of a shorter list, but it tends to cover some different things. Quite a handy list of items, and it's all, again, just about advertising, so that makes it a little bit more specialist. Getting familiar with the terms for advertising and promotions will mean that when people are speaking to you, when you're actually out in the industry, you're both speaking the same language. Like most things, understanding what a cruciate ligament is can be very, very handy, but if one party doesn't know what that is, it makes communication very difficult.